Hello students. In the last class, we have started the chapter division and there we have learned how to find the quotient and remainder without division. So in the today's class, we will learn how to divide 4-digit number by 1-digit number. So in this question, we'll find the quotient and remainder. Here the Q stand for quotient and R stand for remainder. So now we are dividing 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. So first example is 6,752. We are going to divide by a 1-digit number, that is 9. So we know that the number which is to be divided, it is called dividend. So this will be your dividend. And the number which is going to be divided by the dividend, it is called divisor. That will be your smaller number than the dividend. It is called divisor, right? Now we'll divide these two numbers and to find the quotient and remainder. So we need to make a division bracket first. So we will make a division bracket, and in that one we will write the dividend inside and the divisor outside. So dividend is 6,752. We have to write inside the bracket. Okay. That would be 6752. And now we have to divide 4-digit number by 1-digit number, and divisor you have to write outside. That will be 9. Now let's divide this number by 9. So we have to divide the first digit 6 by 9. So we cannot divide 6 by 9. So what we will do? We will go with 0. So it will go with 0 first, because we cannot divide 6 by 9, because 6 is smaller than 9. So what we have to do? We have to write 9 zeros are 0. Because 6 was smaller number, we cannot divide, so it will go with 0. So 9 zeros are 0. Now you have to subtract the number. Now when you will subtract 6 minus 0, your answer will come 6. Right? And this will be your remainder. So now here we have 3 more digits. Let's bring it down the next digit. This will become 67, a bigger number. Now we can easily divide 67 by 9. So let's see, it will go with which number. So we know that the table of 9 and 67 doesn't come in the table of 9. So its value comes closer to 67. So this would be 6 sevens are 63. So this will be 9 sevens are 63. So now we have to subtract 67 and 63. So 7 minus 3 will be 4 and 6 minus 6 will be 0. Now again we are left with 2 more digits in the dividend. So let's bring it down. Next digit, that is 5, to make the bigger number. And now it is 45. Now we can divide 45 by 9. Yes. So 45 comes exactly in the table of 9. So it will go with 9 exactly. So this will be 9 fives are 45. And the number is exactly going. So your remainder, what is your remainder is coming? 5 minus 5 will be 0. And 4 minus 4 will be 0. And after it, we are left with 1 digit, that is 2. Just bring it down. When you will bring it down, it doesn't mean it is your remainder, right? You have to do one more step, and it will be, now we will see that, can we divide 2 by 9? No, we cannot divide, because 2 is a smaller number. We cannot divide. So it will go with 0 again. So if the number is smaller than the divisor, so you have to be divided by 0. So it will go with 0. So 9 zeros are 0. So your remainder is coming? Your remainder will come 2 only. Right? Now this is your answer. Now we have to write the quotient and remainder for the given question. So what is your quotient? Your answer 750 is your quotient, and leftover number is called remainder. So this will be your, we have to write the right hand side. Your quotient will be 750 and remainder will be 2. This is the required result for the given question, right? Now let's see one more question. How to divide 1397 by 7. So we need to make a division bracket first. Then we have to write the dividend divisor. So dividend, that is 1397. We have to write inside and 7 will be outside. So now let's divide 1 by 7. Again, 1 is a smaller number. We cannot divide by 7. So it will go with 0. So we'll write 7 zeros are 0. Now you have to subtract so that you will get the remainder. So 1 minus 0 will be 1. Then you have to bring it down the next digit. It will be 3. So now it is making 13. Now we'll divide 13 by 7. So 7 2s are 14. So 14 is a bigger than 13. So it will go with 1. 7 ones are 7. Right? So now you have to subtract. So 13 minus 7 will be, so we have to need to borrow 1 from, we have to borrow 1 from 1 only. So it will left with 0. So that it will become 13. 1's place digit will become 13. So 13 minus 7 will be 6. Now we cannot divide 6 by 7. So we need to make a bigger number. So we have a next digit to bring it down to making the number 69. Now let's divide 69 by 7. So in the table of 7, so we know that 7 nines are 63. So now we will subtract 69 minus 63, and 9 minus 3 will be 6, and 6 minus 6 will be 0. Now here we have left with the last digit in the dividend. Just bring it down like we are bringing down the other digits. So this will become 67. So we will divide 67 by 7. So 7 again will go with 9. 7 nines are 63. So now you have to subtract. So this will be 7 minus 3 will be 4. And 6 minus 6 will be 0. So here we will write the question for the given answer. This will be, question will be 199, right? And your remainder is 4. So you have to do all the questions like this, and you have to try these questions also. Thank you.